Can you find the grammar mistake? Listen carefully. Sarah has a new book. Sarah likes the book. Sarah reads the book every day. Is this a good sentence? It is correct. But it does not sound natural. We say Sarah many times. Can we make it better? Yes, we can. We can use a pronoun. Listen again. Sarah has a new book. She likes it. She reads it every day. Now the sentence sounds better. Do you know why? Stay with me until the end. You will learn pronouns in a very easy way. Hello and welcome to Learning While Listening Anytime. I am happy you are here. Today we will learn about pronouns. Do not worry. This lesson is easy. I will explain everything step by step. You do not need any grammar knowledge. Just listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice with me. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use pronouns. You will speak better English. You will write better English. Most importantly, you will understand English more easily. Let's begin. First, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word. It takes the place of a noun. Let's say that again. A pronoun replaces a noun. It helps us avoid repeating the same noun again and again. Look at this example. Sarah is my friend. Sarah is kind. Sarah is a teacher. We said Sarah 3 times. Now listen again. Sarah is my friend. She is kind. She is a teacher. Now the sentence is shorter. Now it sounds natural. The word she is a pronoun. Let's see another example. Tom has a dog. Tom loves the dog. Tom plays with the dog every day. Now listen again. Tom has a dog. He loves it. He plays with it every day. He is a pronoun. It is also a pronoun. Very good. Pronouns make English easier. Pronouns make sentences shorter. Pronouns help us speak naturally. Now let's learn the first type of pronoun. These are subject pronouns. Do not worry about the name. They are very easy. Subject pronouns tell us who does the action. There are 7 common subject pronouns. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's learn them one by one. The first word is I. I means me. Example. I am Sarah. I like English. I have a book. Now repeat after me. I am Sarah. I like English. I have a book. Excellent. The next word is you. You can mean one person. You can also mean many people. Example. You are my friend. You speak English well. You have a nice bag. Repeat after me. You are my friend. You speak English well. You have a nice bag. A great job. The next word is he. He is used for a boy or a man. Example: he is Tom. He is a student. He plays football. Repeat after me. He is Tom. He is a student. He plays football. Now let's learn she. She is used for a girl or a woman. Example: she is Emma. She is a doctor. She helps people. Repeat after me. She is Emma. She is a doctor. She helps people. Can you remember these 4 subject pronouns? I, you, he, she. Very good. In the next section, we will learn the remaining subject pronouns. Keep listening carefully. You are doing a great job. Let's continue. Now let's learn the last 3 subject pronouns. The next word is it. We use it for an animal, a thing, or a place. Example: it is my cat. It is very friendly. It likes milk. Another example: this is my phone. It is new. Repeat after me. It is my cat. It is very friendly. It is new. Excellent. The next word is we. We means you and another person. Example: we are friends. We study English. We go to school together. Repeat after me. We are friends. We study English. We go to school together. Very good. The last subject pronoun is they. They means 2 or more people, animals, or things. Example: they are students. They play in the park. They are happy. Repeat after me. They are students. They play in the park. They are happy. Wonderful. Now let's review all the subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Can you say them with me? I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Great work. Now let's learn object pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action. Do not worry about the grammar words. Just look at the examples. The first object pronoun is me. Example: Sarah helps me. Tom called me. My teacher knows me. Repeat after me. Sarah helps me. Tom called me. My teacher knows me. The next object pronoun is you. Example: I see you. Sarah likes you. We can help you. Repeat after me. I see you. Sarah likes you. We can help you. The next object pronoun is him. Example: I know him. Emma called him. The teacher helped him. Repeat after me. I know him. Emma called him. The teacher helped him. The next object pronoun is her. Example: I know her. Tom thanked her. The doctor helped her. Repeat after me. I know her. Tom thanked her. The doctor helped her. The next object pronoun is it. Example: I found it. Sarah cleaned it. Tom bought it yesterday. Repeat after me. I found it. Sarah cleaned it. Tom bought it yesterday. The next object pronoun is us. Example: the teacher called us. Sarah helped us. The doctor saw us. Repeat after me. The teacher called us. Sarah helped us. The doctor saw us. The last object pronoun is them. Example: I know them. We visited them. The teacher praised them. Repeat after me. I know them. We visited them. The teacher praised them. Now let's review all the object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Can you say them with me? Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Excellent work. You have learned 2 important types of pronouns. Keep practicing every day. Now let's learn possessive words. Let's continue. Now let's learn possessive adjectives. These words show ownership. They tell us who owns something. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. The first word is my. Example: this is my book. My bag is blue. My family is happy. Repeat after me. This is my book. My bag is blue. My family is happy. The next word is your. Example: your phone is on the table. Your car is clean. Your teacher is kind. Repeat after me. Your phone is on the table. Your car is clean. Your teacher is kind. The next word is his. His name is Tom. His book is new. His dog is friendly. The next word is her. Her name is Sarah. Her house is big. Her phone is black. The next word is its. The dog is wagging its tail. The tree lost its leaves. The company changed its name. The next word is our. Our school is beautiful. Our teacher is helpful. Our family loves music. The last word is their. Their house is near the park. Their children are playing. Their bags are on the chair. A great job. Now let's learn possessive pronouns. These words also show ownership, but they stand alone. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Example: this book is mine. That pen is yours. The blue bag is his. The red car is hers. The classroom is ours. The big house is theirs. Repeat after me. This book is mine. That pen is yours. The classroom is ours. Excellent. Now let's learn reflexive pronouns. We use them when the subject and the object are the same person. Listen carefully. I taught myself English. She looked at herself. He hurt himself. We enjoyed ourselves. They introduced themselves. The cat cleaned itself. Very good. Now let's learn demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point to people or things. They are this, that, these, and those. This is my book. That is your bag. These are my shoes. Those are our friends. Repeat after me. This is my book. Those are our friends. Wonderful. Now let's learn interrogative pronouns. We use these words to ask questions. Who is your teacher? Whom did you call? Whose book is this? What is your name? Which is your bag? Great. Now let's learn indefinite pronouns. These words do not name a specific person or thing. Someone is at the door. Everyone is ready. Nobody is here. Everything is clean. Something smells good. Now let's practice with real sentences. Sentence 1. Sarah has a new phone. She loves it. Can you find the pronouns? The pronouns are she and it. Sentence 2. Tom and Emma are friends. They study together. Which word is the pronoun? The answer is they. Now let's listen to a conversation. Sarah, hi Tom. Are you ready for school? Tom, yes, I am ready. Where is my bag? Sarah, it is on your chair. Tom, thank you. Can you help me? Sarah, of course. We can walk together. Tom, that is a great idea. Sarah, our teacher will be happy to see us. Tom, she always helps us. Sarah, yes, she is very kind. Which pronouns did you hear? Pause the video and think. The answers are I, you, my, it, your, me, we, our, us, and she. Excellent listening. Now let's look at some common mistakes. Wrong, me am happies. Correct, I am happy. Wrong, her is my sister. Correct, she is my sister. Wrong, this book is my. Correct, this book is mine. Wrong, his bag is blue. Correct, his bag is blue. Wrong, they're going to school. Correct, they are going to school. Great work! In the next lesson, we will continue learning more English grammar. Keep learning, keep listening. Keep growing your English with learning while listening anytime.